Well, happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. You know this is like the high holy day of the year for the Irish people. And coming from Ireland ourselves, it's a big day. It's a big day. So we're going to start this day with an Irish coffee. But wait, there's more. There's going to be a whole day of videos. We've got 6 of them coming for you. This is the first one. Hopefully you'll be able to keep up if you're playing along at home. Okay, but we're going to start their day with an Irish coffee. Now, an Irish coffee is a great drink, but really it's just another way to stick booze in something that shouldn't have booze in it to begin with. And it turned out great. So here we go. I'm going to be making 2 at a time because, you know, the production staff, she's got a little Irish in her. So she gets to partake as well. So we're going to start with a teaspoon of, this is sugar in the raw. Going to go a little lighter on hers because she doesn't prefer it. If you're a non-sugar sweetener person, go for it. Doesn't matter, use a little sweetener. Next, we're going to use 1.5 ounces of an Irish whiskey. And yes, it does have to be an Irish whiskey to be an Irish coffee. It's not a Scotch coffee. It's not a Tennessee coffee. 1.5 ounces. And yes, the Jameson is flowing this time of year at our local liquor stores, and we were able to get some really pretty good deals on it. So, all right. Also a drink you make in the coffee mug itself. And we got fresh hot coffee here. We're going to add, I don't know, most of the way up. Yeah, that'll work. Once again, this is a pretty difficult cocktail to make, huh? Now we're going to give it a stir. Just to mix up that sugar at the bottom. There's a great restaurant out in California, a bar that makes Irish coffees by the 100. Now, we're going to use a cream. You could use a whipped cream, a whipping cream. You could use something else. You could use your favorite non-dairy creamer, but this is whole cream? Heavy cream. Very heavy cream. Love it. Ooh, glad we added the extra there, son. All right. Give it another stir. Perfect. Like that. Now we're going to put a little bit of a topping, and this is ground nutmeg. If you had fresh nutmeg, it would be better, but we're going to put that on the shopping list. Perfect. Just a pinch. This one's for you. Come and get it. So, stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notify button because we're going to have videos coming out on the even hours on St. Patrick's Day. So, we don't say cheers on St. Patrick's Day. We say sláinte. Love it. Have a great St. Patrick's Day, and we hope to see you again the rest of the day. Take care.